Hello, Dr. Hill here again, another video. Gonna be going over some stuff today that I get questions on quite a bit. I'm sure many people have questions about it. I'm sure a lot of dentists get questions about it. Fluoride. Big in dentistry, you hear about it all the time. You probably hear about it at the dentist's office every time you go there. So today what we're gonna do, we are going to do myths versus facts of fluoride. I'm gonna read you a myth. I'm gonna explain a little bit why it's a myth and what the facts are about it. Let's do it. Fluoride is a dangerous chemical. Wrong. It's a mineral. No, I'm just kidding. That's not it. But it is a mineral. Fluoride is not dangerous as long as it's within the right amount of usage. The CDC came out with quite a bit a while ago on how much parts per million of fluoride to be placed in the water that cities can drink. Don't quote me, I'm pretty sure it's 0.07 parts per million. I know there's a 7 in there. Basically what that is doing is that is helping patients, kids, adults, anybody and everybody that drinks that water to help protect their teeth, keep them nice and mineralized. What's that going to do? That's going to allow us to avoid having decay or cavities within our teeth. It is not a dangerous chemical used in the right fashion. Also, it's a mineral once again. Fluoride is poisonous. No, asterisk. Obviously, too much of anything is going to cause issues. Now, in order to get too much fluoride, I mean, you got to drink, literally, toothpaste, like over and over and over and over and over. And even at that, something that happens is called fluorosis. Fluorosis is something where I'm sure people have seen it. You basically get little white spots on your teeth. Too much fluoride can cause that issue within teeth. Is that going to truly harm you in regards? No. Just don't drink toothpaste. Use it as prescribed, as it says on the thing, or on the toothpaste. Literally, put a little bead of it on your toothbrush, brush, spit it out. No need to swallow toothpaste. It's not good for you. You'll be good shape. Fluoride causes cancer. No. Truly a myth. I remember a study that was actually, it was done in Australia, I think, where they had 2 different areas. One area was fluoridated water, one area was non-fluoridated water. They did the study, I think, 20 to 25 years. There was no difference in the amount of, unfortunately, cancer patients in either of them. Fluoride is not related, nor is it correlated to any additional cancer. It's not going to cause cancer. It doesn't have anything to do with it. Studies have shown it, studies have proven it. The big one that I remember from school, and actually in residency we talk about it, was the one that they did in Australia. No correlation at all to that. Once again, we're back on the fluoride in children. The myth is fluoride isn't safe for children. It is actually the opposite. What fluoride does for kids, it actually helps strengthen not only the baby teeth they have, but fluoride in the water, in the systems, things like that, help strengthen the teeth or the permanent teeth as they're becoming and growing as their tooth buds and they grow to teeth. It actually strengthens the inside. That fluoridated water, what that's going to do is actually allow those teeth to be stronger as we age, as we get older, as they come into place. Now, once again, I've stated this before, don't let your kids eat toothpaste, especially not fluoridated toothpaste. You need to be in the room taking care of them, watching it, making sure they're doing it, making sure you're putting a rice-sized little amount of fluoridated toothpaste on the kid's teeth. You don't want anything like that. Obviously, can that cause issues if you drink an entire bottle of toothpaste? Of course it can, just like anything else. Be smart about it, take care of it. Fluoride is phenomenal for kids growing up. It is great for their teeth. It is nothing but benefits moving forward. It helps literally stop decayed teeth because they're more mineralized, they're stronger, they're able to handle more. And that's why the CDC and every other college and university in the world has done unbelievable amounts of studies dealing with fluoride and what it does for patients' teeth. It's good for you. It does the right thing for your teeth. It's a good thing. At the end of this video, there's going to be a link to it. We've done a video in the past that deals with pediatric questions, fluoride, going to the dentist, all sorts of stuff. When we get to the end of this video, click that link if you want to learn some more and go back about pediatric dentistry. We don't need fluoride in the water. We're fine by getting it in the toothpaste. No. Getting off the toothpaste is great. It helps it. It's going to be a big benefit for you. Obviously, that's why we encourage it. That's why it's sold. That's why it's in all the major toothpaste. But I know you've already heard me say this, but I'm going to say it again to remind you. Fluoridated water is phenomenal as we grow, especially in kids. It's huge in helping the toughness, the strength, the mineralization of teeth, especially permanent teeth, as we age, as we come in, as they're being developed. In adults, fluoridated water is still helping. It's a systemic thing. It's still helping you keep the strength and, again, the mineralization of those teeth. We like the fluoridated water. Now, use fluoridated toothpaste as well. That's doing a great job. That is also adding to the toughness. That's adding to the strength. That's hopefully delaying, prolonging, or even making sure you don't have any cavities. But as far as we have enough just from toothpaste, no. You want to make sure that you get it in your fluoridated water too. Studies prove it. Science proves it. Years and years and years. Countries, colleges, universities, people way smarter than me that like doing research, they've proven it. Fluoridated water, huge benefit. Fluoride is a good thing. We love it. In a dental world, fluoride is a huge hit. Now, just like everything else, it's time to sign off on this video. I appreciate you guys. I hope you're sending in more videos or more ideas for more videos, more memes, more TikToks, more anything, more questions, anything you want to do. I'm going to have you like, subscribe this. That way we can see more of it. I want to know more about you guys. Let me know. Appreciate y'all. See you soon.